What's up guys, it's Nolan here with Oakos Automotive, back with another wheel fitment video for the second gen BRZ. Today we're looking at a similar spec to our last video, but a little bit different wheel and a little bit different tire. So I'll give you the rundown of that and then we're going to fit them on the car for you. So today we're taking a look at the Enkei GTC02. This spec here is 17 by 9 plus 42 in 5 by 100, of course, for the BRZ. A little bit of a special spec for the US market. Kind of a little bit of a special wheel in general, a little bit hard to come across, something you don't see every day for sure. I really like the look of it. It's a nice, what they call hyper silver, so you kind of get that silver, but in some different reflections like here and here, it looks a little more black, just to give it a little bit of a color shift. So that's kind of nice other than just a plain Jane silver. As for tires on this set, we have the little bit newer entry to the 200 treadwear market with the Bridgestone RE71 RS. Of course, everyone knows the original RE71. This is the replacement to it after its absence from the market for a little while. And so far the data looks good, looks fast, looks reliable. We're definitely excited to try it out ourselves, but we'll report back with some track day testing on that, of course, when we get it. All right, so as far as wheel accessories for this install, pretty simple for these wheels. We just have a hub ring here. These are the aluminum Enkei rings here, kind of a neat feature they have. They come with a lock ring and then the wheel is actually machined so that you can put the ring in here. And then once you're ready, put the little circlip in. And then the ring stays with the wheel. So you don't really have to worry about it staying on the car and when you're rotating your tires, doubling up on hub rings or anything like that. So that's a nice feature. Of course, aluminum hub ring is good for track use too. You don't have to worry about melting them so much as with the plastic ones. But all right, that's pretty much the rundown of this wheel and tire setup out of the way. We're gonna lift the car up a little bit and put these things on and we're gonna check out the fitment. So as for our lug nuts, we already had them on this car, but these are just the Magard spline drive, or what they call like tuner nuts. A little bit more premium than say your standard like spline drive that you may find at AutoZone or like from other brands. They have a nice swivel seat here, which is cool. A little bit different design. They look a little cleaner. And I would say just anecdotally that the finish on these has to be the best in the business. If you have black Magard lug nuts and you take care of them, like this finish will last a long, long time opposed to some other lug nuts you might find. So worth checking out. Those are on the website, link in the description, that kind of thing. So yeah, front wheel on here now. Just as far as like the big concern on the second gen BRZ, of course, is the front wheel to the strut clearance. We have coilovers on this car, so not really as much of a concern, but yeah, solid hand width worth of space there between the tire and the strut, which is nice. So no worries there. Yep. That's right. Send it out of here, just doing a burnout. Properly at the track. Why? Yeah, we got the car back down on the ground here with the new wheels and tires, of course. Lug nuts torqued to spec as well, of course. You can see the fitment here, nice, kind of just perfectly flush with the front fender, pretty perfectly flush with the rear fender. So with that 17.9 plus 42, you're kind of splitting the difference of what people say is like plus 40 or plus 45 is like good fitment. You're kind of right in the middle here with these. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it overall. Got the car at a ride height that's like street friendly and still track friendly with some actual suspension travel and not just slammed on its nuts. So that's cool. But that pretty much wraps up this video for us. We're gonna get the car rolled outside, show you some cool shots of what the fitment looks like, nice side profile, all that stuff. But that pretty much wraps up this wheel and tire fitment video. If you have any more requests to see a different wheel and tire combination on the new BRZ or maybe even on another car, please let us know. We'd love to check some stuff out. Of course, also let us know what you think of this spec. Check out the links in the description if you're interested in this wheel or tire or any combination. But we'll see you guys in the next video.